going? Welcome back to this channel, or welcome to this channel if you're new here. My name is Maggie and I post new videos Monday through Friday, so make sure you subscribe because I would love to have you here. If you've been a subscriber for a while, you would know that I used to post 2 to 3 times per week, but then for the month of March I made it my duty to post 5 times a week. That's Monday through Friday, and I want to say that March has basically come and gone. It's already March 29th, and it's crazy to think about, but I actually excelled. I think for the most part I posted Monday through Friday every week, with the exception of one day that I missed. And that's because of technology and my computer was just acting up and things like that. But I feel like that was very successful and I really enjoyed posting 5 times a week. So I decided I'm going to continue that throughout April and however long until I just basically run out of ideas to post. But today I am going to share with you one of my favorite things, and that is what I eat in a day, because that way I get to show you guys different types of recipes. And yeah, so welcome to my kitchen, welcome to my channel, and let's get started with breakfast. So for breakfast today I am going to be making delicious buckwheat waffles, which are gluten-free. And so what I'm going to be adding first is my coconut milk. So that is 1 cup of coconut milk, then 1 small banana, and then I have about 2 tablespoons of raw almond butter. I'm going to do a little bit of sea salt. Salt, I feel like sometimes just brings out the flavors and everything else, so I'm just adding just a little bit of that. And then I'm going to do about a tablespoon of date nectar. And I'm going to combine all these ingredients using my Vitamix, and then I'm going to add the flour in after. So honestly, I blended that for probably less than a minute, and now I'm going to go ahead and add my 1 cup of buckwheat flour. And I'm going to combine that, and that is going to be my waffle mix. So while I wait for my waffles, I am eating these blackberries. And many times I feel like I'm not a fan of blackberries, but these are from Florida and they are so delicious. Oh my goodness, they're so good. Welcome back into my kitchen for meal number 2, which is going to be more of a snack rather than a lunch, because I am going out with a past coworker to like a lunch/dinner kind of thing later on to Illegal Pete's. So I'm about to just make myself a smoothie right now, which is one of my favorite smoothies, which is an avocado chocolate smoothie. So it's kind of funny because someone wanted an update on how my 12 weeks is going, and well, to tell you the truth, it is week 1, day 5, and I am doing great on my 10,000 steps, and I am doing great on going into the gym and all that. But my 3rd goal, which was to incorporate either a green smoothie or a salad, has not actually worked, because this Monday when I just started the challenge, I got my cycle, and hence I've been wanting some chocolate. So that's why I'm about to make myself, okay, Otto's passing his toy. That's why I'm about to make myself a chocolate smoothie instead of a green smoothie. So let's get to it and make it. So for this chocolate avocado smoothie, what I will be using is half of an avocado, and that's partially why I decided to go for a chocolate avocado smoothie instead of a green smoothie today, because I really feel like this avocado is about to go bad. No, it's actually pretty good. That's good. I thought it was about to go bad, but hey, it's always a 50-50 when opening avocado. It's either not ready, or just bad. So I'm going to do half an avocado. I'm going to do 1 banana. Typically, I would also want my banana to be frozen for this smoothie, but I didn't have any frozen ones, so I just put 1 banana in the fridge for like 10 minutes. Not that that really made a difference, but... And then I'm going to do about 5 to 6 pitted dates. So make sure you actually pit your dates and not leave the nuts inside, because that would be pretty bad. But yeah, I've been really enjoying the Costco dates this winter. I wanted to order some from online, but then I went to Costco and I just felt like they had a better deal for organic dates, so I decided against ordering it online. I feel like dates are so versatile in smoothies and in raw desserts. They're just a great sweetener overall. Alright, so I am in fact going to use 6 dates, and then I am going to do about a tablespoon to 2 tablespoons of cacao powder. And then I'm going to go ahead and cover this with some water. And I'm gonna blend this up. It's gonna be so good, guys. So I blended my smoothie for about 2 to 3 minutes till everything's well combined. And now I'm just gonna pour it in a mason jar, and it's gonna be so delightful. So this makes about 20 ounces of a chocolate smoothie, I would say. So good. Do you want to say hello to everyone? Hello! Do you want to say hello to everyone? Hi! So like I told you guys, I am going to Illegal Pete's, which is like a very similar to Chipotle, but I'm about to make this stir fry for my husband, and if I'm hungry later on, I'm going to eat it as well. And so I'm also going to show you a quick sauce for a stir fry. So I'm adding some tahini in here, and then I'm going to add some date syrup. You could also add maple syrup, that would work great as well. And then I'm going to go ahead and add some coconut aminos. And then I'm going to go ahead and add apple cider vinegar. And then I'm just going to go ahead, mix everything up and combine it. And it's actually a really delicious stir fry sauce. Honestly, I don't even measure it, I just pour it. And if I want to change the ratios, then I just add more tahini. If I want it creamier, I add the coconut aminos. If I want it more salty, and then I add the date nectar or maple syrup if I want it to be sweeter. And that's pretty much it. And then you don't want to go overboard on apple cider vinegar, but I feel like it just enhances the stir fry. And then I'm going to serve this up with some brown rice noodles. Alright guys, it is the very next day. I did not end the video yesterday because the lighting is really bad at night, and hence why I try not to film at night. But I figured I should just take you through what I ate. So I had a veggie bowl with some chips from Illegal Pete's, which I really appreciate Illegal Pete's over Chipotle. Though I do like Chipotle's chips because they have like lime flavor on it, so I do like those. And then towards later on at night, my husband wanted to go out and eat because, well, I had Illegal Pete's, so he wanted Illegal Pete's, but I ended up not picking him up because I completely forgot. So he got himself a personalized pizza while I got myself a falafel wrap. So I had a delicious falafel wrap and then finished off the night with some dark chocolate. Which was so good. It was with like almonds, berries, and matcha in there. And then we watched some TV, and then I fell asleep on the couch. But yeah, that's everything that I ate in a day. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and yeah, I'll see you guys next one. Bye guys.